Have you ever found yourself stuck in the endless cycle of perfectionism, feeling overwhelmed by the constant need to get everything just right? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to talk about how to conquer perfectionism once and for all. Perfectionism is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can drive us to do our best and strive for excellence, but on the other hand, it can lead to anxiety, procrastination, and self-doubt. It's essential to understand the impact that perfectionism can have on our mental health and daily life. Perfectionism can be a double-edged sword, driving you to achieve high standards, but often leading to stress, burnout, and dissatisfaction. Conquering perfectionism requires a deep understanding of its roots and a commitment to change. This comprehensive guide will help you overcome perfectionism and lead a more balanced, fulfilling life. 1. Understanding perfectionism. 1.1. What is perfectionism? Definition. Perfectionism is the relentless pursuit of flawlessness and setting excessively high performance standards. Types of perfectionism. Self-oriented, imposing unrealistic standards on oneself. Other-oriented, imposing unrealistic standards on others. Socially prescribed, perceiving that others impose unrealistic standards on you. 1 point to the roots of perfectionism. Early influences. Parenting styles, academic pressures, and societal expectations. Personality traits, high conscientiousness, fear of failure, and need for control. Negative effects of perfectionism. Mental health, anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. Productivity, procrastination, burnout, and reduced efficiency. Relationships, strained interactions due to unrealistic expectations. 2. Identifying perfectionist tendencies. 2.1 Self-reflection. Recognize patterns. Identify areas where you set unrealistic standards. Acknowledge emotions. Notice feelings of anxiety, frustration, or inadequacy. 2.2 Common signs of perfectionism. All or nothing thinking. Viewing outcomes as either perfect or a complete failure. Overemphasis on mistakes. Focusing excessively on errors and flaws. Procrastination. Delaying tasks due to fear of not meeting high standards. Difficulty delegating. Reluctance to let others take control due to fear of subpar results. 3. Changing your mindset. 3.1 Embrace imperfection. Accepting flaws. Understand that imperfection is a natural part of being human. Celebrate progress. Focus on growth and improvement rather than perfection. 3.2 Develop a growth mindset. Learning from mistakes. View mistakes as opportunities for learning and growth. Set realistic goals. Aim for achievable and incremental goals. 3.3 Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. Mindfulness. Practice mindfulness to stay present and reduce self-critical thoughts. 4. Practical strategies to overcome perfectionism. 4.1 Set realistic standards. Evaluate expectations. Assess whether your standards are realistic and necessary. Prioritize tasks. Focus on what truly matters and let go of trivial details. 4.2 Manage time effectively. Time management techniques use tools like to-do lists, calendars, and time blocks. Break tasks into steps. Divide larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. 4.3 Learn to delegate. Trust others. Trust that others can deliver quality work. Delegate appropriately. Assign tasks based on others' strengths and skills. 4.4 Address procrastination. Just start. Begin tasks without waiting for the perfect moment or conditions. Set deadlines. Create realistic deadlines to maintain momentum. 4.5 Focus on the big picture. Broader perspective. Keep the overall goal in mind, rather than getting bogged down by details. Accept good enough. Understand that sometimes good enough is sufficient. 5. Building a support system. 5.1 Seek professional help. Therapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, can be effective in addressing perfectionism. Coaching. Work with a life coach to develop realistic goals and strategies. 5.2 Connect with others. Support groups. Join support groups to share experiences and gain insights. Mentors and role models. Learn from those who have successfully overcome perfectionism. 5.3 Communicate openly. Express feelings. Share your struggles and feelings with trusted friends and family. Seek feedback. Ask for constructive feedback to gain perspective. 6. Maintaining progress. 6.1 Regular self-check-ins. Reflect. Regularly reflect on your progress and areas for improvement. Adjust goals. Adjust your goals and strategies as needed. 6.2 Celebrate achievements. Acknowledge success. Recognize and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Reward yourself. Treat yourself for meeting milestones and making progress. 6.3 Stay committed. Persistence. Stay committed to your journey of overcoming perfectionism. Resilience. Develop resilience to bounce back from setbacks. 7 Case studies and examples. 7.1 Personal stories. Real-life examples. Learn from individuals who have successfully overcome perfectionism. Strategies used. Understand the specific strategies and mindset shifts that help them. 7.2 Famous figures. Inspirational figures. Study how successful people have managed their perfectionist tendencies. Lessons learned. Draw lessons from their experiences to apply to your own life. In conclusion, conquering perfectionism is a journey that requires self-awareness, mindset shifts, and practical strategies. By understanding the roots and effects of perfectionism, identifying your tendencies, and implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you can overcome perfectionism and lead a more balanced, fulfilling life. Remember, progress is more important than perfection, and embracing imperfection is a key step towards personal growth and happiness. Stay committed to your journey and celebrate each step forward. I encourage you to share your experiences with perfectionism in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey towards self-improvement. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal growth and overcoming challenges. Together, we can conquer perfectionism and strive for a more fulfilling life. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more wealth-building tips and tricks. Also, check out any of these 2 videos on financial independence and wealth creation, and watch one of them to stay on top of your money game. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.